we are on Canva. Go up to Create a Design. Custom Dimensions. Let's put in 2000 by 2000 pixels and create new design. Now I have already purchased a bundle kit from Etsy for t-shirts, so let me drag one of those in. Okay, so here is a flat layout baseball shirt that I bought from Etsy. So from the outside, I have it open on another window. I'm going to drag it in and drop load file here. Now that that's in here, I'm going to take the same picture I just uploaded in Uploads and drag it over. Hover it over the blank canvas and you see it auto-fills it for you. Our Meow or Never design that we made a couple of modules ago, I'm going to go down here, download, transparent background, hit download again. Okay, so you see it's down here. I have a desktop, so it downloaded on my Windows. And I'm going to go back to my mockup, which is in a different tab here, and I'm going to drag it again like I did with the mockup in the first place. Okay, let it upload completely. And just place it on the shirt. And there we have our mockup. So let's say we want to download this straight onto Etsy. Then we're going to go up to download. I don't want transparent background. I want the PNG. So I'm going to hit download again. So it saves it as what you title it up here. So it saved it as mock-up.png. So just keep this in a safe spot for when we get started on Etsy. So that's how you make a t-shirt mockup. Okay, now I'm going to teach you how to use a mockup for pictures. How do I make a digitized mockup for that? So I'm going to go to Create a Design, Custom, 2000 by 2000, Create New Design. And then I'm going to go over to Photos. And I'm going to type in picture mockup. Let's see what it comes up with. This one's nice. So I'm going to drag this one over. If you aren't happy with how it placed it, you double click and then you drag over again just to make it more center. You can also make it bigger or smaller. So then I'm going to go to my uploads and I'm going to choose one of my pictures that I've drawn and I'm going to kind of strategically place this in here like that. And another way you can move things around is with the arrow keys on your keyboard. So I just hit 3 times left and then 2 times up. And I'm really satisfied with that. This indicates that I'm selling this piece of art. So hopefully that gives you a better understanding of how you can digitize your mockups and photos instead of having to take it yourself. Having to take your pictures all by yourself can be hard, especially if you don't have a smartphone or if you don't have a good camera available to you. This is another way you can create wonderful pictures for your Etsy products.